Hello everyone, welcome to CodeSoft. We are starting a new video series which will be based on MERN-Stack web development. We will be covering each topic in detail and also do the practical implementation of each concepts and technologies. Alongside the course, we'll also build a product end to end that will cover the entire front end and the back end part of our MERN-Stack. So let's get started. Now this is the first video here we will discuss what exactly is MERN-Stack and what all things comes under MERN-Stack. So let's get started. Now first thing is that what does each character in MERN stands for? So M stands for MongoDB. MongoDB is a kind of non-SQL database and in MERN-Stack we will be using this database. E stands for Express, which is a library of Node.js and it is used for routing of our website. So all the different HTTP routes that are present in our website, everything will be handled using Express library of Node.js. The third thing is R, the main component of MERN, that is React. So React is a front-end framework and what it does is it actually creates small chunks of UI or which we call as components, and we can re-render or reuse these components in our website as much as we want, right? Now the N stands for Node.js. So Node.js is actually a runtime environment for executing our JavaScript code. What does this mean? So it basically means that it will actually handle all the backend services in our website, like connection of our MongoDB database or creating APIs, calling APIs, everything that all the backend services will be handled using Node. Now Node is a very highly scalable platform and it is very fast compared to other frameworks that handle backend services, which makes it a very popular demand in current situation. Now MERN-Stack helps to build web products end to end. This means that the MERN-Stack can handle everything on its own. So be it the UI part, the front end part, the client side requests, the server side requests, the backend, the connection of database, authentication, everything can come under single MERN-Stack product. What are the benefits of MERN-Stack? The first point is same that we discussed. It handles both client side and server side development. So all the API requests that we send from client side, reading them on the server side and actually returning the responses alongside creating the backend services like connection of databases, routing, everything can be handled under MERN. The second or the major advantage in MERN-Stack is that it is JavaScript all the way, which means that we just need to learn one single language, that is JavaScript, and we can actually do anything related to web technologies using that. So isn't it great, right? Now, what are components of a website? So there are major two components of the website. One is the front end or the UI part, which which the end user sees, and second is the backend, all the backend services and databases that are attached to it. Now, what all things, all technologies we'll be using under each subcomponent, we'll look into that. So if I talk about the front end technologies that we will use, we will actually use HTML. Now HTML will be used to create the structure of a web page. We will discuss that. After that, we'll discuss CSS for styling the entire web pages and websites. The third thing we'll study is the JavaScript. Now JavaScript, we just see that it is just JavaScript all the way. So JavaScript is the life of our MERN-Stack website. It is actually used to humanify all our effects. So basically all the things that are human-like actions in a website, that is done using JavaScript. The fourth or the major component is the React framework, which we discussed. It actually creates chunks of UI and re-render it as much as we want. So this is all the front-end technologies that we will use in our MERN-Stack development. Talking about the backend technologies, powered by Node for the backend services, Express for routing, MongoDB for database, and Mocha for our testing framework. So what is exactly Mocha? So basically, when a software engineer or a developer creates a product, he needs to create some tests related to those websites so that all the smaller components present in our website, they should actually get tested before running in onto the production side. So all the tests that we write it using Mocha framework, and we will be discussing about it in this video series also. So entire MERN-Stack, entire front end, back end, everything we will be discussing here. So that's all with this video. I hope the basic concept of MERN and what it exactly serves is clear. So thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned and do share this video and subscribe, and we'll be learning a lot in this video series. Thanks for watching.